Okay, 20% off, so that's carry the 1, add this here. Wait, where does the decimal go? And what about shipping? This is probably the last thing you want your customers to be doing to themselves while they make a purchase on your site. The best and most convenient customer experience would be to build a form that can automatically perform the calculation for them, no matter how simple or complex. But creating a form like this isn't an easy task, and you may need to rely on third-party plugins to make it happen. Luckily, we've come up with the perfect solution. WPForms is extremely excited to introduce our brand new Calculations add-on. The Calculations add-on will allow you to enable calculations for your forms and create anything from basic to complex formulas to perform all sorts of calculations depending on your needs. You can use the Calculations add-on to have your forms calculate anything from shipping costs, adding or removing sales tax, calculating processing fees, tips, booking fees based on the number of people, and more. Once inside the form builder, you can add a field that supports calculations to your form and click on the Advanced tab to find the Enable Calculations toggle. Doing so will produce a text editor you can use to start creating your own formulas. In the text editor, you can use the Insert Field button to add fields from your form to your formula and use any of the available arithmetic operators to perform your calculations. The Calculations add-on also allows you to create more advanced, complex formulas by using comparison and logical operators to create multiple expressions. It also includes an autocomplete feature that will suggest fields, functions, and additional operators while you're typing your formula in the builder. Once you've created your formula, you can use the Validate Formula link below the text editor to make sure your formulas are correct and will work exactly as they should, offering you peace of mind before your form goes live. Calculations has been a widely requested feature for so long, and we believe in creating a quality product that is not only powerful, but is easy to use so that our customers can succeed no matter how they choose to make it happen. We believe in making complicated things crazy simple, and the Calculations add-on by WPForms does just that. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.